Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your credit card with Capital One easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Capital One website. In the top right corner, click on the login button. Enter your username and password, then hit the login button. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the option labeled Security and Privacy. Click on that to access your security settings. Here, you'll find various options to enhance your credit card security. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. You can typically find this option under Account Security. Follow the prompts to set up your phone number or authentication app. Next, review your transaction alert settings. Enable alerts for purchases, payments, and any suspicious activity. This ensures you are immediately notified about your transactions. Now, check your credit card's PIN and password settings. Choose a strong, unique password if you haven't already. If needed, change your password to something more secure. It's also important to ensure your personal information is up to date. Verify that your email address and phone number are correct. This will help Capital One contact you if any suspicious activity arises. Consider reviewing your device history on the account page. Remove any devices that you do not recognize or no longer use. Lastly, log out of your account once you're finished. This ensures your information remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.